And what's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get a green screen on your video. So I saw a YouTube video, and actually a few of them, and people don't know how to use green screen on mobile, and that's why I'm here. That's what I'm going to show you today. So first, if you don't have kinemaster, download it. If you do, great. uh, I don't really recommend downloading diamond version, but you really can't get in trouble. So go type in DivYams or something like that. There's a bunch of YouTubers that offer KineMaster Diamond, which has no watermark and other possibilities. So yeah, let's jump right into it. So first, click the plus button, 16:9, unless you want any other ratio. Click on media. This is gonna be blurred for you guys. I'm just gonna find a picture or something. I don't know. Let me just find. I don't know. Wait. I'm so sorry for the inconvenience of waiting here, but I just put on a nice background like this. I'll pull it up. Yeah, and that's great. And then let's say I want a subscribe button here. So you go to layer, you go to media. I'm gonna go to downloads. Once again, you probably can't see this. And this one. Boom, and I just put this on the screen. See? And now you're wondering, yeah, but this is not green screen. This is just the video. Oh, let me just take out the arrow. This doesn't make any sense. It's still green. Yes. So you click on the layer, and you go down a little bit, and you see chroma key. You click on that. You click enable, and it should be green color already. So that takes all the effort from you, and then you just click on it and resize it to the size I want. I want it like this, and look at this. Actually, I'm gonna put it back to size. I didn't notice there was another animation here that should be seen in full screen. I'm very sorry. So now, look at this. See? It's pretty good, and there's no green spots left anyways. So it's very good for a video. So if you make gaming videos or anything, having this is perfect. Yeah, there's a bit of green on the outside when the fire comes in, but no one pauses your video on the exact second it does, so no one will actually see that. And yeah, that's how you put green screen on your mobile videos. So let me export it and show you the rest. Yeah, here I'll just put some music in there just for the convenience. Let's go on this. I gotta put it right on top. Okay. Oh, that's perfect. Yeah. So I'm gonna export this, and yeah, that's that's the end of this video. And I hope you really enjoyed. I hope this was helpful. If not, I'm sorry. I tried my best. If it was, I'm glad it did, and I'm glad it was. I'm sorry. I really don't know how to speak English properly. And yeah, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, drop a like, and see you in the next one. Bye. Super!